This is our startup DreamPlot, your boldest dream, our best plot yet. About our business, DreamPlot makes designing your future home simple, inspiring, and sustainable. We hope to eliminate the need for costly architectures or confusing guesswork, and instead, we hope that buyers can use our app to input their dream home preferences, like their style, size, and key features. And in seconds, our AI generates realistic 3D home designs tailored to your vision. Some of the benefits of our business would include DreamPlot just being champions of eco-conscious living by integrating sustainable materials like bamboo, hempcrete, recycled steel, reclaimed wood, etc. into every design. We plan to help build a home that's beautiful and efficient while also being kind to the planet. In the future, DreamPlot will expand into a marketplace that connects users directly with professionals, turning dream homes into actual real possibilities. In the future, this may also involve selling to huge companies like Realtor.com, Zillow.com, etc. The business that we hope to be will be positioned as high potential and a profit-making tech startup. The most suitable structure for us is a corporation to attract fellow investors, facilitate growth, and manage liability as the business scales. We're designed for rapid market expansion and scalable revenue streams in a fast-growing industry. Later, we focus on growing our profits through app sales, subscriptions, and marketplace transactions. Additionally, to make money, we'll determine the price of the app by advertising the app, spreading the word to friends and family, advertising in the newspaper, posting on social media, and running it for a while. After that, we may go the selling route and try our hand at selling our technology to a larger company in the same field.
Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. DreamPlot hopes to eliminate the need for costly architecture or confusing guesswork when buyers are trying to find or build their dream home. The app helps with communication with the builders. It also helps strengthen the relationship between builders and the people.
So
Okay.
how do we stack up against the competition? While there are players in the 3D design space, they each miss a critical piece of the puzzle. You have Tripo 3D, which offers AI-powered design but lacks the augmented reality to actually place a home on a real plot of land. Then there's the industry giant Zillow, but its 3D tools are built for existing homes, not for visualizing a new build on an empty lot. Finally, apps like Homestyler are great for design but lack AR visualization and a marketplace to connect with professionals. This is our advantage. DreamPlot is the only platform that integrates all three of these essential features: AI-driven design, AR visualization on your actual property, and a marketplace to connect you directly with the builders who can make it a reality. We're uniquely positioned to own this space.
Some of our barriers would also include technical complexity, which means we might struggle with building reliable AI plus AR features, data access and licensing, which is basically getting accurate, up-to-date land and zoning data, and market trust and adoption, which would be convincing real estate agents and builders and buyers to adopt the new tool that we are inventing. We hope to stand out by using real AI plus AR visualization on real land, being user-friendly and having an intuitive setup on our app, and a built-in marketplace where clients and builders can connect. So maybe like some form of communication like texting through the app.
Okay, so for our target market, we want to target home buyers and land buyers, so people who want to build, but struggle to picture what a house would look like on an empty lot. Real estate agents, professionals who need a tool to show clients the potential of land and not like speed up sales. Builders, architects, developers, and companies. Industry professionals who can use the app. So going on to market size. So let's start with the overall market size because it really shows how big this opportunity is for DreamPlot. The 3D visualization and the rendering software market was valued at about 2.3 billion in 2022, and it's projected to reach nearly 9.6 billion by 2030. That's a massive increase driven by the rise of AI-powered design and demand for immersive visualization tools across industries. In our specific niche, the AR and VR segment within real estate is growing rapidly from roughly 650 million in 2024 to about 2.8 billion by 2030. And this reflects how virtual property tours and digital staging are becoming the standard in real estate experience. Finally, the overall real estate software market itself is expected to more than double from around 10.3 billion in 2023 to nearly 21.8 billion in 2030. These combined markets represent a huge and expanding opportunity in the space, and DreamPlot is positioned right at the intersection of all three: 3D visualization, AR, VR, and real estate technology. Okay, regarding market growth. So again, we're entering markets that are expanding at an incredible pace. So first, the visualization and 3D rendering software market is experiencing extremely rapid growth with the projected CAGR of about 30.6% from 2023 to 2030. And that's one of the fastest growing segments in the entire software space. The general 3D rendering market is also strong, and it's expected to grow about 17.9% annually through 2030, showing consistent global demand across industries like architecture, design, and gaming. And finally, the real estate software sector which is one of our primary entry points, is projected to grow about 12 to 14% annually over the next decade. And that steady expansion reflects how technology is transforming how people visualize and sell and experience property. And altogether, these overlapping growth trends create the perfect environment for DreamPlot, scale combining 3D visualization, AI, and AR into one platform for immersive design. Okay, regarding market share. So building on that market growth, so let's look at the market share. So the global 3D visualization and rendering software for the market is projected to grow from 3.3 billion in 2023 to 9.3 billion in 2028, with an annual growth rate of about 23%. And in parallel, the AR and VR market, where AI and immersive visualization features fit naturally, it's expected to expand from 38.7 billion in 2024 to over 221 billion by 2034. And it's growing around 19% each year. So within these overlapping markets, DreamPlot has the potential to capture measurable share over time. So in years 1 to 2, as we launch and onboard early adopters, we're targeting about 0.1 to 0.2% of the market, and that translates to roughly 6 to 16 million in revenue. By years 3 to 5, through real estate partnerships and AI plus AR integration and marketplace expansion, we could scale to 0.5 to 1%, about 100 to 300 million. And looking ahead to years 5 to 7, as the platform matures and our user base grows, we project 1 to 2% of market share, potentially 300 million to 1 billion in annual revenue. And I know this is a lot of numbers, but these numbers highlight how quickly DreamPlot can grow by combining advanced AI visualization, immersive AI AR technology, and the strong B2B partnerships, all in markets that are expanding exponentially.
Team, you have 30 seconds to wrap up.
Our vision is to revolutionize the way of home design using AI and AR technology. With your investment, we'll turn simple ideas into interactive experiences that make design accessible, fast, and inspiring. A basic version between 250,000 and 600,000 will allow us to launch a core platform using simple AI and AR tools. With 1 million to 2.2 million, we can deliver a full MVP product and more advanced AI capable of 3D and AR design sharing for builders and agents. Finally, with 3 to 6 million, we'll reach our fully realized vision, a high-end product with custom AI, full industry integration, and enterprise-level security.
So we plan to have a proper exit strategy, which involves focusing on building and validating the product, potential acquisition by real estate tech giants, except like Zillow, Redfin, and Compass, and long-term, the possibility of going public if the growth supports it. And we hope to get return on investments by early investors having the opportunity for significant returns. We have a lot of potential growth drivers, and our exit potential has a lot of revenue potential as well. So we hope that through our presentation, the judges and investors would hope to, invest in DreamPlot. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.